Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can mod any cassette radio player to add AUX. For this video I will be using Audi Chorus 2, which had this mod already done. I will start by removing the 4 screws which hold the front panel in place. This step of course varies by radio model. With the 4 screws removed, front panel simply pops out. It won't be modded in this video, so put it aside for now. Now remove the top plate from the radio unit. It's not being held by any screws. As you can see, there's a cassette inside. This mod won't work without it. We'll have to remove the whole cassette mechanism for now. To do so, I'll remove the ribbon first. Now there are 4 torque screws which has to be removed. With the screws out of the way, you can now lift up whole cassette mechanism. There is no need to unplug the ribbon on the left. Just make sure you don't damage it. You can see here that I've already soldered the audio wires to the amplifier. Audi Chorus 2 uses the same chip every time, so you can basically mirror my wiring. If you use different radio, then you'll need to find the pinout of your cassette amplifier. It might use different pins. The previous method was not perfect, since signals will interfere with each other and bass won't work. This can be easily fixed by removing whole amplifier chip. This particular chip is used only for cassette audio, it won't matter with radio. You can remove it and throw it away, since this model has cassette issues anyway. I will use my hot air station to remove the chip, it's the easiest way. After the chip is hot enough, you can simply pick it up with your tweezers. Just don't knock out any other components. I've soldered the AUX wires to the same pins as before, only without the chip this time. Now the cassette mechanism can be put back, you still need it to trigger the AUX. Make sure that this ribbon is plugged in. And this ribbon right here cannot be connected. Now you can put everything back together, since we're pretty much done here. Just make sure that you have any cassettes laying around, you can even use cassette shaped plastic piece. Radio is now back inside my car and ready to play. To enable the AUX, you just put the cassette inside and turn on the cassette playback. Cassette doesn't have to work, it's just to trigger the switch inside the radio. To play the regular FM radio, you just take out the cassette or push the FM button. And that's pretty much it. It works super well with my Android head unit. Thanks for watching everyone and see you next time.